सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की मौत दुनिया भर में चर्चा का विषय है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इस मामले की जांच सीबीआई को सौंपी है। टीम ने मुंबई पहुंचकर जांच शुरू कर दी है। टाइम्स नाउ के हाथ सुशांत की ऑटोप्सी रिपोर्ट आई है, जिस पर कई सवाल उठ रहे हैं। रिपोर्ट्स के मुताबिक अब एम्स के एक्सपर्ट भी पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट, वीडियोग्राफ और विसरा की जांच करेंगे। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत केस में रिया चक्रवर्ती के खिलाफ केस दर्ज होने के बाद कई नई बातें सामने आ रही हैं। अब मीडिया के सामने सुशांत की ऑटोप्सी रिपोर्ट आई है। उनकी गर्दन पर एक निशान को लेकर सवाल उठ रहे हैं। उनके सिर पर कोई चोट नहीं है। वहीं सुशांत के वकील का कहना है कि सुशांत की मौत किस वक्त हुई, रिपोर्ट में वो टाइम नहीं दिया गया है। इसी तरह कई एक्सपर्ट्स का मानना है कि हैंगिंग में जिस तरह से आंखें और जीभ बाहर आती हैं, सुशांत में वो कुछ भी नहीं दिखा था। बताया जा रहा है कि इस पर सीबीआई एम्स एक्सपर्ट्स की राय लेगी। शुक्रवार को एम्स ने 5 सदस्यों के फोरेंसिक विशेषज्ञों का एक मेडिकल बोर्ड गठित कर दिया। टीम मर्डर के एंगल से भी जांच करेगी।
Parts of page 2 I have with me. It says injuries, whether there are any injuries on the scalp. It says it's intact. There is no scalp hematoma or injury. And then there are some very minor hemorrhages seen under the scalp, which is seen as normal according to the post-mortem. Then the skull and the brain, it is very clearly saying that said here on the right hand side that there is no injury, there is no fracture in the base of the skull, the meninges is intact, the meningeal vessels are intact, the brain is intact, the other very minor hemorrhages are of course found. We will be getting in touch with some of the experts in the field of reading these documents. We don't want to get it incorrect, remember, because there are several sensitivities involved. It speaks about how thorax, the walls and the ribs are intact. There is no evidence of fracture or dislocation or abnormality, which means that way there has not been no injury to the ribs, to the cartilages and the walls of the ribs. The larynx, trachea and the bronchi, the upper respiratory system is fairly clean. It says walls and mucosa are ingested, no foreign body is seen, there is no abnormality. Right lung, left lung, both of them are intact. There is no inconsistency. It seems fairly pericardium contains normal amount of pericardial fluid. Heart with weight, it says heart is 340 grams, no abnormalities there. There is no problem with the heart. It does not seem to be a heart attack very clearly. Said chamber contains dark red fluid blood, all coronary patient on cross examination. Well, essentially the heart is also normal. His large vessels essentially intact. Blood clots are of course present, but that's, they say, is normal. Abdomen, walls, cavity, no free fluid, blood, pus in abdominal cavity. Yes, as I said, we are trying to get through to one of the experts here and read them the entire document. I go over to the next side about with the teeth and the pharynx and larynx. This is as it is. Will read
the
out.
Important point, Vivek, the important point in all of this is about the abrasions and the pressure abrasion ligature mark present around the neck at the level of thyroid cartilage passes obliquely upward, backward towards mastoid process on both sides. It is absent over backside of neck and the occipital protuberance. So this is very, very important, yes, viewers, because there are some people who have been maintaining, some experts and opticians who have said that the characteristic of a hanging is that the ligature mark goes all around the neck. Now, this is not consistent with what we've seen.
Yes.
Yes. Vivek, yes.
Well, we've reached the sixth page here. One interesting part is, what did he consume on the day of his death? Yeah. If there was, that is a very important point in the entire investigation. They said they gave him juice. They said coconut water was given. He said that later he'll have a banana. Yes. What was it inside? What is it that he ingested? That's the important point, and that's where we are coming to. It says teeth, tongue, pharynx. Well, it's all normal. Esophagus normal. Of course, there is some mucosa which is congested. Stomach and contents. This is where the important part comes. Stomach and contents, it said it's intact, 50 cc of brownish color fluid present. No peculiar smell, perceived in the mucosa congested. Well, what is this 50 cc of brown fluid present? Is it natural food that he had? Well, it's for the Viscera report to come out and tell us the details, whether it was any kind of toxin, any kind of other material. Well, there was a 50 cc of brown color fluid which was present, and in the small intestine and its contents, it says intact brownish paste-like material present, no specific smell. Well, what was this brownish color fluid in the large intestine and stomach, and in the small intestine when it came, it was a brownish paste. Well, and of course, the large intestine is pretty normal. Then it goes to liver. It says it seems his gallbladder and liver are more or less normal. But as I said, what will be of interest will be this brown color.
But you know, there are others who raised the point, and Vikas Singh had raised the point that the time of death hasn't been mentioned. Now that is pretty clear. The time of death has not been mentioned.
इसी बीच जांच के पहले दिन शुक्रवार को सीबीआई ने 2 लोगों से पूछताछ की। सुशांत के कुक नीरज से करीब 10 घंटे तो हाउस मैनेजर सैमुअल मिरांडा से 7 घंटे पूछताछ चली। नीरज सुशांत की मौत के वक्त घर पर ही मौजूद थे। उनकी गवाही काफी अहम साबित हो सकती है। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, नवभारत टाइम्स।